We'll guide you through how to make rolling or scrolling text credits in CapCut PC. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in CapCut. So you've been working on a project and now you've come to the end of it. And what you want to do is go and add in scrolling or rolling credits. We're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. So make sure this full video so you know exactly how it can go and be done. So let's go and dive straight into this. So first of all, what we can do is in CapCut, you need to come to the top and you can go and find text and you want to go and click there. To the left, you can select add text and you'll see default text and you can go and press the plus and it'll add it in, or click, hold and drag it in. Now, what you can do here is you can see in the timeline, you want to go and choose the length. So for me, I usually like to make this about 10 to 15 seconds or so. But what's important to note here is that if you have a longer credits, you may want it to be longer because then you can have a longer scroll. So I'm going to have it at, let's make it a little bit longer. We'll go and have it at around 15, as you can see. So now what you want to do is you want to go and select it like so, and you can then come to the top right. You want to come into text, and then you can go and get typing here. So you could go and start typing in credits, and then you can go and put a colon, leave some spaces and start typing in the characters, the producers, the editors. You go and get the idea. Personally, I've actually already got the credits here. So I can go and open this up and I'll press Control A to select them all, and then Control C or right click and press copy. And then we can come back to CapCut and right click in here and we can go and press paste. Now, what we can do here is we can go into the font and choose a cool font. So I'm going to scroll down and just go and pick something bold. I found this cool one called Sequel. Now what you can do is I want to make this a lot smaller because when you've probably seen movies or TV shows, you've probably noticed they're a lot smaller in general. So let's go and make the font size a lot smaller. I think I'm going to go for this size here. Now, what you want to do is you want to go and click just above the timeline where the time is, and you want to go and place a playback cursor right at the start like so. Now you want to go and click, hold, and start dragging on the text like this. Now, when you start dragging it horizontally, sort of to the right and left, or across the x-axis, you're going to see this blue line. This is going to help you center it. Of course, you want to keep them centered. You don't want it going off. So just go and drag it off screen just like so. And then what you want to do is you want to, at the top here, is come into text and basic. And you want to then go and scroll down and you want to go and find transform. And to the right of that, you'll see this little diamond icon. You can press add keyframe. Like that, perfect. And then what you want to do is come to the end. So I'm just going to zoom out of the timeline a bit here, and I can move the playback cursor right to the end. And then you want to start dragging up on the text. Can't quite click it, don't worry. Just come down into the position and you can go and find Y. Click on hold on the increase one and it will start going and moving up just till you get enough so you can go and grab it, be much quicker this way, and drag it all the way up like so. Use that line and you've now dragged it off screen. Now, when we go and play it back, you're going to see it's scrolling, as you can see.